Good morning, y'all. I'm working on my 2005 Scion XB. I'm gonna replace the Camshaft sensor. I can't get my words out this morning. And a crankshaft sensor. All right. I think I found the Camshaft shaft sensor down in there. I think that's it right there. So I'm gonna stop the video, move some stuff, and take a peek. I can't see nothing. Okay, I found the camshaft sensor. Let's head out way down in here. Move stuff out of my way here. It's right there. The one that don't have the plug on it. It's on the back part of the head. Seems to be pretty easy to get to. I'm fixing to remove it now. Well, I got it out. Looks a little dirty. Guess that's what you get when you let people borrow shit. It's probably all factory, and it's got a little rough looking in here. Can't get a good picture of it. Phone keeps blurring here. My next plan, yes, is to change the oil. But that's the camshaft sensor. Go ahead and get the new one in there. Here is the new camshaft sensor. Still in the bag, and took it out. Even the end looks different than the other one. The other one looks like it's been seen its better days. Okay, I got the sensor installed, everything put back together. I just gotta put the top piece back on. My next drawer is put the crankshaft sensor in. I thought I would have to remove my wheel to get to it. So there's my next goal, moving that wheel. Feeling better and better every time I get something done on this thing. You tell the excitement.